WD-40 Specialist Automotive is a new range of products specially formulated to help keep your vehicles in tip-top condition. Just make them part of your maintenance routine and they'll provide the muscle needed to make auto care easy and effective for both pros and amateurs. Stick with me and I'll show you our shortcut solution. Use WD-40 Specialist Automotive Throttle Body Carbon Choke Cleaner every 10,000 kilometers to clean out gum, sludge, and varnish to maximize your carburetor performance. It'll eliminate hard starting, rough idling and stalling, and improves fuel system performance for a smooth ride with less fumes. It works on bikes too. For better safety, this WD-40 Specialist Automotive Brake and Parts Cleaner quickly removes brake fluid, grease, and oil from brake linings, pads, and drums. Just spray generously on the whole unit. It cleans and protects, helping to stop disc brakes squeal and eliminate clutch slippage. Can't stand how dirty the engine is? The machine and engine degreaser cleans dirt, tar, adhesives, oil, and tough grease on engines, stroke engines, and machineries to help them run cooler and last longer. Its deep penetrating formula acts fast to make cleaning even easier. Just wipe off or rinse with water. Is your alternator belt squeaking and slipping? No problem. Just spray a little WD-40 Specialist Automotive belt dressing with the engine running. It penetrates into the Carb fibers to restore flexibility and pliability. Best to use it before it starts to squeak. If you've got an ATV, car, or motorcycle, you're going to want to keep the chains well lubricated before every ride. The chain lube gives it an extremely tacky and outstanding anti-fling properties. The WD-40 Specialist Automotive range of products are just some of the best in-class solutions. Designed by WD-40 Company to maximize your vehicle's performance, they're safer than other products in the market. For everything else, there's always the WD-40 multi-use product, the can with thousands of uses. It protects metal from rust and corrosion, loosens nuts and bolts, displaces moisture, and lubricates just about anything. It's not rocket science. It's just WD-40. Take your vehicle to the max.